LangChain, a Python and TypeScript framework that makes it easy to build AI-powered apps by connecting large language models with tools, data, and reasoning steps. It showed up early in the LLM wave and quickly became the go-to way to structure AI workflows beyond a single chat prompt. At the core of LangChain are chains, which are basically pipelines. You give them input, the model processes it, maybe calls a tool, cleans the output, and passes it along to the next step. Models, prompts, and output parsers are all modular, so you can swap OpenAI for Anthropic or a local model in one line. Prompt templates let you inject variables like city or article or query without rebuilding your entire prompt every time. Then there are tools and agents. Tools give the model real abilities like searching, doing math, or calling APIs. Agents decide when to use those tools using reasoning steps. So instead of hallucinating data, the model can go fetch the right info before answering. Ask it about weather, and it will actually call your weather API, not make something up. If you need your model to access real knowledge, LangChain makes Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short, simple. You embed your PDFs, docs, or databases, store them in a vector database, and LangChain retrieves the relevant chunks at runtime so the model works with accurate information instead of guessing. To install LangChain, you can write pip install-u LangChain. You can also install OpenAI, Anthropic, or even Grok using these commands. And to start using LangChain, we first create a new Python file, import your model. I will use Grok for this demo because it's free and I'm broke. We also need the prompt template and output parser. Then we have to initialize the model. For that, we create a variable of the chatGrow class, add our model, the temperature, and our API key. After that, we define our template with the desired variables. For this example, we will have Grok summarize an article for us. Once that's done, we create the prompt from the template and the parser. We then have to define our chain, which will be prompt, then LLM, then parser. And before we run the chain, we define the article we have to summarize. And finally, we run the chain using the invoke function and specify our article. This has been LangChain in 2 minutes. If you enjoyed it, go check out my other 2-minute explainers.